Did you know that in 2025, China and India are building their own space stations, challenging NASA's dominance? It's a new space race. Let's see why these countries are racing to put their astronauts in orbit, and how this could change the future of space exploration. For decades, the International Space Station, ISS, was the main place for astronauts to live and work in space. But now, countries like China and India are building their own space homes to have more control and independence in orbit. China's Tiangong, meaning Heavenly Palace, is already orbiting Earth. It has three main modules: Tianhe, Wentian, and Mengtian. Chinese astronauts, called taikonauts, have been living and working there, testing new technologies and doing scientific experiments. India's Gaganyaan program is India's first human spaceflight mission. India plans to send astronauts called Vyomanauts into space by 2026. While the first missions will use the Gaganyaan capsule, India is already planning its own mini space station for longer missions in the future. But why are China and India building their own stations? It's about independence, security, and leading the future. They want to control their missions without relying on NASA, Russia, or private companies. Plus, they want to be part of future Moon and Mars missions. This new competition is changing how countries see space. China and India want to do research, test new tech, and inspire their people. This also means more jobs, more innovation, and more chances for scientists and engineers to shine. The global space race is getting bigger and faster. So, will this new race make space more competitive or bring everyone closer together? Will we see new alliances or rivalries? One thing is clear: the future of space is more exciting than ever. What do you think about this new space race? Could China and India lead the next era of exploration? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more updates from Globe Pulse Facts.